What's up everybody, this is Chris from Abandoned New Orleans and I'm about to do an unboxing for the Mavic Air 2. I actually just got this as a refurb over the weekend, Black Friday weekend. Currently I have the Mavic Mini, the original Mavic Mini, which is the same size as the new Mavic Minis. I'm going to do side-by-side comparison, at least for what they look like and everything too. So I got the Mavic Mini last year just to kind of see what drones were all about and everything, and now I'm upgrading. So I bought this actually through the eBay store, refurbished unit Mavic Air 2. I actually bought this through the DJI official eBay store. It was then shipped by Drone Nerds, which I've used Drone Nerds to purchase a few things before, including, well, I think I got my Osmo Action one by Drone Nerds too. It's possible. This is actually the Fly More combo. So we'll see that it has a travel bag, the aircraft, remote control, some cables, 3 batteries, a power adapter, extra propellers, a charging hub, some ND filters, control stakes, manual, that kind of thing. So let's see. Ooh, that's cool. It's all in the bag already. It's pretty sweet. Gotta go with the Fly More combo if you're gonna fly a drone, just because the battery life. That's a big issue. If you only want to be able to fly your drone for 20 minutes, then get the regular one. But if you're gonna be doing anything more than that, gotta get the Fly More combo. For my Mini, I actually have 5 batteries. So I have 1 in the Mini, 3 in the hub, and then an extra one actually. But that's because I've had a couple of different Minis and I crashed one. The first one I bought was used off of Facebook, and then it crashed. And anyway, not the best story in the world. I only had it for 3 days and then it got obliterated. Oh, that's cool. Kind of worried about this personally because given that the Mini is so small, I could fit it in my jacket pocket if I was wearing a jacket, as well as the controller. They're both pretty small, maybe like a bulky cell phone. So let's see. First, it's not too bad, not too bad. Here you go, compared to the Mini. Mavic Air 2 versus the Mini. You've got your sensors down there, and I think there's kind of a sensor right here. Mavic Air 2 has the rear sensors, no sensor on this. And I believe it also, yeah, these are front sensors as well. And these are just cosmetic. Okay, so propellers are not on. I'm gonna have to install propellers. Props, as the cool kids call them. So it already has a battery here. This is one of the batteries. There's the drone. What else is in here? This must be some kind of battery docking portion. And actually, I'm probably not really going to use this bag very often because I have a bag that I carry around. This is the controller for RC. Huh. These screw in a little bit differently than the one I'm used to. And then the phone or whatever you use, and I have like a little phone, like an old phone that I purchased just to use for my drones, compared to the Mavic Mini controller. It has the antennas that come out and your phone goes in the bottom, and you're like You gotta hold it like this. This actually feels better. It's bigger. It's not gonna fit in my pocket, which is unfortunate. But gotta admit, it's got a nicer feel to it. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see. Okay, more batteries. And look, y'all, again, if y'all watch any of my other videos, I highly recommend, it's another battery, highly recommend DJI refurbished products because you get them cheaper, and of course this is like a generation back, so you know, you're gonna save money that way too. But yeah, just in general with those refurbished items, you're gonna save a heck of a lot of money, and you're getting, in my opinion, just as good of a product. It's part of the battery portion. This is what you plug it into the wall with. This must be the propellers and the manual. So propellers, several of them in here. Got multiple documents for people who read paper, which I guess I will. The ND filters must be in the bag. So, okay. Here we go. We've got a USB-C. So it's a full-size USB. Not sure what all of these are for yet. Clearly, a portion of them, the iPhone one was already in the compartment, so that just tucks in there. Which I will be using I use an iPhone as my phone, but actually I use an Android to fly with. That's just because I was able to buy one cheap. So we have, is this ND filters? Okay, cool. We have some little ND filters here. A 16, a 64, and a 256. Some extra little joysticks, and I have no idea what this is. This is a power bank adapter. Gotta be honest, not sure what this is for. Clearly it's something to do with the batteries. And I believe that is all that is in there. Well, cool guys, that is the unboxing for the Air 2 Flymore combo. Here are this is a battery for the Mavic Mini. And this is a battery for the Mavic Air 2. Quite the size difference. Okay, so that'll be something like that. This is the charging dock for the Mini, much smaller. So this, the cool thing about this is you can plug things into it and charge them. You can use this as a power bank, so that's what the other part is. Okay, so what this actually does is I can attach this to a single battery and then use it to charge something. I can plug in a USB here and then charge the controller or charge a phone. So that's interesting, kind of weird. I prefer the Mavic Mini. A quick comparison between the Mavic Mini and Mavic Air 2 and their controllers. But I mean, look, this is way heavier, much more heavy duty than the Mini is. Like, it's just bendy. It's fine, but man, it gets blown around a lot. Which I've heard the Mavic Mini 2 motors are much better, but yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, this is Chris. You can check out links in the description below for everything that I've talked about today, and you can watch some more of my videos too. Thanks.